Today, I'm going to show you how to make soft, fluffy, bakery-style Taftaan right at home. This delicious Persian-style bread has a rich, buttery flavour and a beautifully soft texture, making it the perfect companion for any curry or gravy. The recipe is simple, easy to follow, and gives you bakery-quality results every time. So, let's get started and make this delicious Taftaan from scratch. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook for you presents Taftaan. Let's start by preparing the dough. First, add 1 teaspoon of sugar to 50 milliliters of lukewarm water and give it a good mix. Now add 2 teaspoons of instant dry yeast and mix it well. Keep it aside for about 10 minutes until the yeast activates. As you can see, the yeast has now been activated perfectly. Now, in a large mixing bowl, take 3 cups of all-purpose flour, maida. Add 2 teaspoons of milk powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add salt to taste. Pour in the activated yeast. Now add 100 grams of unsalted, melted butter. Crack in 1 egg. Mix everything together until well combined. Gradually add some lukewarm milk and knead it into a soft and smooth dough. Lightly brush the dough with a little oil. Cover it and let it rest until it doubles in size. Once the dough has doubled, gently punch it down to release the air. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Lightly dust your work surface with some flour. Roll out the dough with the help of a rolling pin. Now press it with a large bowl, just as shown. Using your fingers, gently make the pattern on the dough. Cover it and let it rest for another 10 minutes. Repeat the same procedure for the second naan. Now add 2 teaspoons of milk to 1 egg and whisk it well. Brush the dough generously with the egg wash. Then gently make the pattern once again. Sprinkle some nigella, kalonji seeds over the top and finish with some sesame seeds. Repeat the same procedure for the second taftaan. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, or until beautifully golden. Once freshly baked, remove the taftaan from the oven and place it on a wire rack. Brush milk all over the taftaan. This helps keep it soft and gives it a lovely bakery-style finish. Flip it over and brush milk on the other side as well. Repeat the same for the second taftaan. And there you have it. Soft, fluffy, bakery-style, freshly baked taftaan, ready to enjoy with any of your favourite gravies. Enjoy! Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us.